In this video, I am going to discuss about best books for social science and pedagogy for CTET paper 2 and upper primary West Bengal TET. Also, this will help you to prepare for WBCS, Rail, Bank, UPSC, SSC and different Group C, Group D and miscellaneous exams. In CTET paper 2, social science or social studies, you have to read history, geography, social and political life and pedagogical issues. The difficulty level of questions can be up to the secondary standard. First of all, to understand the exam pattern and question pattern, must buy previous year question paper book with solutions or search Google to find previous year's question. In this regard, you can select any book from Disha publication or Arihant publication or Argupta publication. You can also buy self-preparation guide TGT for social studies. Next, to clear theoretical concept on social science and pedagogical issues, must read all your B.Ed social science book from B.Ed semester 2 and B.Ed semester 3. Textbooks are the best choice that will really help you to understand pedagogical issues. And the best choices are Pedagogy of Social Science from PHI publication by S.K. Mongol and Uma Mongol, Pedagogy of Social Science from Nilkamal publication, Pedagogy of Social Science Teaching, that is History, Geography, Political Science and Education from Rita publication, and Pedagogy of Social Science Teaching, Geography from Aheli publishers. If you have any problem in any area of history, geography, just go and read and clear your concept from West Bengal Board or CBSE or NCERT or ICSE textbooks. All these books provide a very good understanding of concepts, strengthen your base and supplement your learning with numerous practice problems. In competitive exams, it is vital to learn various general studies. So in this regard, you can select books from Disha publication or Arihant publication or Environment by Manjunath Thamminidhi for UPSC and State Civil Service examinations. Read your recent exams' entire syllabus properly and practice accordingly. Achievers or Disha publications quarterly magazines are the best choice for GK or general science preparation. কর্মক্ষেত্র, জীবিকা দিশারি, কাজ কেরিয়ার, কর্মসংস্থান are the weekly papers and this paper will really help you for general science preparation. These are all the highly recommended books for CTET or any other competitive exams. Don't forget to comment which book you like the most or prefer for your upcoming exams. I hope this discussion may help you for your future preparation. Thank you and happy learning.